Nathaniel Essex, Mr Sinister. The leader of Brotherhood of Mutants, Brotherhood of Evil, I think. Wow, the mutants that I don't understand what's his power actually. This picture looks quite big. You can see the thickness of the spine here. Okay, it's huge. Let's reveal the instruction pad. Okay, this is a big figure. It's about 7 inches. Mr Sinister, even in the cartoons as well, is actually a quite big size, of course, bigger than normal human. Let's see. Okay, this figure is like this. It doesn't come with any interchangeable parts, but okay, this one is rubber. Overall, you can see the likeness of Mr Sinister is well preserved. This is how it looks like. So far, it's not been adapted to live action. I wonder how it's adapted to live action. There's articulations here and there. It's more like a action figure instead of a statue, though. No, sorry, I think it's more of a statue instead of action figure. So this is how it looks like. Stands nicely, Mr Sinister. Perfect for your collection. Let me straighten the legs first. Yep. Okay. Nothing much to see. This figure is just there. The likeness is there. The face sculpt, everything is there. Is this worth how much I paid? I think 180. I think. I don't think so, but well, already bought. And you buy because of this packaging. You can put at the side. Very nice for decoration.